Hello everyone, this is Saleha, your English professor from United Arab Emirates. I hope you're doing fine. Today's lesson is about present continuous verb tense, and in this lesson you will learn all the basics of it. And in the upcoming videos on present continuous verb tense, you will know all the possible aspects of it. If you're a beginner or an advanced learner, you will certainly learn something more and interesting about it. And if you like this video, press the like button and share it with your friends, and must subscribe to my channel, Your English Professor, and must press the bell icon for latest updates. So let's move to the lesson. We use present continuous tense to talk about the things and actions that are happening right now. First, we will see how we can make simple sentences in present continuous tense. For this, we have to see the sentence formation pattern. In sentence formation, we have a key to make the simple sentences in present continuous tense. So let's see. In sentence formation key, you can see we have a subject, a be form, main verb plus ing. Let's see some examples. In these sentences, you can see we have a subject like I, he, Sarah, and a be form, which is in present. The first be form is am, are, and in the sentences we can see am, I am, he is, Sarah is. Then the main verb do, cleaning, driving. Do is the main verb, we added an ing. Cleaning, clean is the main verb and we have an ing. Similarly, drive, we added an ing, and rest is the sentence information. So let's read the sentences. I am doing, he is cleaning his car, Sarah is driving her car. You can see in each sentence the pattern is same. We always use a be form which is, am, and are, just like in simple present indefinite tense. The present continuous tense is also called a present progressive tense, because we always talk about the things and actions that are progressing in the current time periods. We can also make the negative sentences in present continuous tense. So let's see how we do it. In present continuous verb tense, we make the sentences in same pattern. We just add a not after the be form. Let's see the key. You can see the pattern is same. We just added a not after the be. Let's see some examples. In these examples, we can see that we added a not after the helping verb, or be form and the main verb and rest is same. Ing here is also same. We have a subject, a be form and a not, main verb plus ing. Let's read the sentences. I am not doing. He is not walking. Sarah is not driving her car. So the pattern is same with little bit difference, but in present continuous tense we always talk about the things that are happening in the current time. In negative sentences we are doing the same. We are defining the things that are not happening in the current period of time. Similarly, we can also make question sentences in present continuous tense. Let's have a look. Here you can see the sentence making pattern is same. We just put the be before the subject and then rest is same, the main verb and ing. The pattern is same with little bit change. We can make the question sentences in present continuous tense. Have a look at some examples. In these examples, you can see we added is before the subject she, then the main verb come and ing coming. We added are, the be form before the subject they, and then go, and we added ing going. Am, similarly am before the subject I, or a subject can be any name, and we added a walk and ing. Let's read the sentences. Is she coming? Are they going? Am I walking? We always put a question mark at the end of question sentences. So these are the questions that we ask in the present time. In present, we ask about the things that we want to know in present time. Is she coming? We can ask anyone who is coming right now. In the present time, who is coming or going or any action that we want to know, we can ask a question. We can also make another type of questions. Let's see how we do it. We can also make question sentences or interrogative sentences by adding a question word before the subject. Let's see how we do it. These question sentences includes a WH question word like when, what, where. All these are question words. These are included before the main subject in these sentences, and these are interrogative type of questions. That are some direct question sentences. Let's see the sentence formation and some examples. Here in the key you can see we added WH question before the be, then subject, a main verb and ing. We can make WH questions with this pattern. Sometimes we added the subject before the WH questions. We will also see this in example. Let's have a look at some examples. In these sentences, you can see we add a when, a what, where, and again when as WH question word, and then we added the main verb, subject, come, which is the main verb, and then ing, a question mark, mainly question mark in every sentence, because these are some kind of direct questions in present continuous tense. The pattern is same in each sentence except this one, because we added the subject with the question word. Sometimes this also happens, and then the be form, then the main verb. This is also right, but this pattern is mostly used in present continuous tense. So let's read the sentences. When is she coming? What are you doing? Where are you going? When Sarah is coming. Here we added the subject directly after the WH question word, and then the be form, and rest is same. These sentence patterns are commonly used to describe the questions that we ask in present time. So these are all the basics of present continuous tense which we simply use in daily routine. Grammar is easy and grammar is fun, as you've learned present continuous verb tense and all its basics in this video. And I suggest you to practice with more sentences to understand better. And if you like this video, press the like button, share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel, Your English Professor. Must press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Your subscription will help us grow and create more informative and educational content for you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.